Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove this name password in your Realme phone device. Guys, you want to remove this name password so as you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove name password in a Realme phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, first of all, open your phone setting to remove this name password. Then guys, click on your password setting, tap here, lock screen password, enter your password guys. Turn on password. Again guys, enter your password. So as your name password will remove in your Realme phone device guys, you cannot use your name password. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove name password in a Realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.